Hello, everybody. Mrs. Holbrook's out today, so it's just a Ninja Turtle and Baby Echo doing foundations. Are you ready for this warm up? All right, let's do it. WH whistle wa. CH chin ch. TH thumb. SH ship sh. CK sock. All right, my friends. Next up, our standard sounds. A apple a. E ed e. F I itch I. J jug j. O octopus ah. Q u qua. U up And let's see if you can beat me and read me the trick words faster than I can. As has. And. The. Of. To. Into. Awesome job. Give yourself a pat on the back for knowing all those trick words. Okay, I need to tell you something. It's just me. I'm still here. All right, guys, how you doing? We got to have some fun together when we're learning, okay? All right, we've got a word of the day today. Are you ready? Dun dun dun, here it comes. Okay, try to tap it on your own. What does this word say? Sh, shut. Did you get it right? The word is shut. Very good. How would we mark this word? What should I do? Underline the digraph. Good. Why do we do that? To show that it's one sound, even though it's two letters. Very good. Okay, what other words or what sentences can you tell me with the word shut? Oh, you shut your foot in the door? Ouch. You shut off the lights? Good. You shut your eyes to sleep? Good. You shut the garbage can so it didn't smell? That's a good idea. I think I'm going to write the sentence. I shut the. How do you spell the trick word the? Good. T-H-E. I shut the. And I don't really think I can fit the word door, so I'm going to go down to my next line. I don't want to smush it. I shut the door. All right, how does it look? Am I all done? What did I do wrong? Oh, yes. Let me put my end mark, my period. Okay, I'm going to scoop it, and I want you to read it with me. I shut the door. We scoop words so that we don't say it like a robot. I shut the door. We want to say it smoothly. I shut the door. My scoop doesn't really end here. It ends over here. I shut the door. Okay, it's time for you to add this word of the day into your handy dandy student notebook. This notebook should be your best friend because it has all the things you've learned in it. We need to go to the middle part of the notebook where it's vocabulary. And what letter are we looking for to put the word shut? Good, it starts with an S. So you need to find the letter S. And I think you all know what to do by now. The first thing you do is add the word of the day, which is shut. And you mark the digraph. like this. Pause here if you need more time. What do we do next? We write our sentence below it. I shut the door. You have 2 lines in your notebook, so take your time and be neat. I shut the door. Everything should be spelled perfectly because if you aren't sure, you can look at mine. I shut the door. Hard to see my period. Let me make it a little darker. Gotta have that end mark. I shut the door. Okay, pause here so you can finish that. Okay, welcome back, everybody. Can you read the sentence with me? I shut the door. I hope you shut the door so you could focus, maybe. Okay, but we don't want to slam the door. Just shut it nicely, calmly. All right, my friends. Next, I would like you to get out your tile board. It's got all the Velcro tiles on it. Okay, and I am going to say a sound. I want you to repeat it and point to it. Okay, repeat after me. What says K? Point to all the letter sounds that say K. And tell me, what are you pointing to? C, K, and CK. Yeah, try to point to them all at once. Good. 3 ways to do K. Repeat after me. What says W? Point to all the ways to do W. There's 2 ways. What are you pointing to? W and digraph WH. Good. Okay, repeat after me. Eh. What says eh? It's a vowel sound. Eh is what letter? E. Very good. What says Z? What's the letter's name? Z. Okay. Are you ready to build a few words? Let's do it. Repeat after me. Path. Let's tap it together. P-A-Th. Now build it. Okay. When you're finished, you can check yours with mine. How did you do? Path. Path. Always tap out your own work to make sure it's right. And now let's spell it away. Put the letters back in the correct spot on your board. P, A, T, H. Let's try another. Repeat after me. Mug. Tap it. G. 3 taps, so you should find 3 cards. Go ahead. I'm going to tap mine out. I'm not sure if it's right. J. Mudge. No, I don't want it to say mudge. I want it to say mug. G. What letter says G? Game. G. Game. G. I need the G, not the J. Silly Mrs. Holbrook. There we go. Ugh. Mug. Does yours say M-U-G? Let's spell it away. M-U-G. We all make mistakes. That's why we always have to tap and check. One more word on these boards. Repeat after me. Dish. Tap it. D-I-sh. Build it. D. Drum first for drum. Sh. When you're finished, check it to mine. Pause if you need more time, and let's spell it away. D-I-S-H. Okay, friends, great job with that. It's time for us to do some dictation. So if you have paper from your teacher, it would look like this kind of paper. If you have it, I want you to use it today. If you don't have it, you can just use your notebook, or you can just use your whiteboard. I'll be saying words, but I want you to practice writing them. Are you ready? So the first thing that we will do is write some sounds. So if you have the paper like this, it's already set up for you for 1, 2, 3 sounds. If you have the whiteboard, that's okay. Okay, repeat after me. Ch. Write the sound ch. So next to number 1, you'll write that sound. Ch. Okay, check yours to mine. How'd you do? CH, chin, ch. Now we're going to go to the number 2 and then the number 3, all for sounds. Okay, repeat after me. G. Write the letter that says G. And always just pause if you need more time. Number 3. I. Write the letter that says I. Okay, time to check your sounds. How did you do? Notice how my G touches all the way down to the worm line. Make sure yours does too. And we're going to do the next line, which is some review words. We'll do 2 of them. Okay, the first review word is mop. Tap it out. P. Write it. Check your own work and then check it with mine. Pause if you need more time or to fix it. Number 2. Hip. Tap and write. Hip. Ip. Okay, I'm going to go to the next line, which is some more words with digraphs now. Repeat after me. Dash. Let's tap it. D. And sometimes just tap it and write it one at a time. Dash. D. A. Sh. Dash. Take your time and finish it. And look up if you need a little help. Okay, pause if you need to check it and fix it. And we'll go right next door to the next word. Repeat after me. Chin. Ch. I. Pause until you're finished. Check your work and fix anything you need to. And then we'll go to the next line, which is 2 trick words. Our first trick word is as. This would be a good time if you don't know how to spell as to take your student notebook. And remember, you put it in the back. You put it in the trick word part. So find the trick words and a. We know it starts with A. So you can find it in there. I know you can. I found it. There it is. As. You can do that too. And the second trick word is into. Check in your notebook if you need to. Into. And when you're done, you can pause here and fix anything up. We're going to end with 1 sentence today. Repeat after me. Did Jack rush to the bus? Did Jack rush to the bus? Pause and work on the sentence. Okay, you're back. We're going fast. Just do your best. Check and make sure you started with a capital and that you also did Jack's name in a capital. Check over that you have a question mark at the end. It's a question. And lastly, you can fix anything up that you need by checking mine. We do have a CK at the end because it's after the vowel, and we have an SH here, so 2 digraphs. Fix it up in your